Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy back again, Stead, and today we're out here in downtown Moscow, Russia, baby. Man, look at this place. Every corner feels like a movie set. These buildings.
Stopped in a little local cafe yard. Smells like fresh bread and cinnamon. Perfect break from that frozen air outside. Let's eat.
The red is square. Why?
About to hop on the Moscow metro, would say. Heard it's one of the nicest underground systems in the world. Let's see what the hype is about. If you ever come to Russia, wear thick boots. Trust me, these icy sidewalks are no joke. One slip and you'll go viral, ha!
Stepping inside GUM now, a feel. All right, y'all, I'm wrapping up day one. Moscow's been icy and epic. Time to get warm and plan the next adventure. Catch you tomorrow from somewhere warmer. Welcome to Sochi, baby. From frozen Moscow to this sunshine paradise. I've got my linen shirt, shades, and we're about to hit the boardwalk. Rushammer, total surprise. Sochi's got some awesome little markets. Just found this hand-painted magnet and a super chill white tee. You know I had to cop.
Okay, I couldn't help myself now. They got music bumping out here. Had to hit a little two-step. Can't stop the vibe.
This right here is peak relaxation. Got a cold drink, soft waves, and nothing but time.
I heard this spot makes the best grilled shrimp in Sog.
If you need me, I'm here a lot. Just vibing, floating, and thinking about my next trip. Life's good out here in Sochi. Okay, that wave came out to nowhere. Soaked my shorts, but it's all love. We still out here!
Next stop, Russian spa. Ice bath, steam room, the whole deal. Not sure I'm ready for the cold part again, though. Sunset in Sochi hits different. It's golden hour, the beach is quiet, and I'm just soaking it all in. This trip's been unreal.
Woo! This is insane! I'm flying, y'all! Best view in Sochi, hands.
All right, folks, that's a wrap for Russia. From the icy streets of Moscow to the sunny shores of Sochi, what a journey.